Hey guys, it's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you like car stuff, be sure to hit that button below to subscribe. So today we're going to be talking about how to quickly add power and performance to the Honda Civic Type R. So let's get started. So today what I'm going to be showing you is the KTuner V2 unit, how to install it, and how to use it to increase performance in your Type R. Real quick, in case you guys have missed my announcements and videos, I talked about that Honda has a solution, there's Motec has a solution, and KTuner, of course, has its own solution. I went through the stage 0 and stage 1 tunes. There's a few other tunes out there I'm going to show you as well. So in case you guys are wondering right off the bat, what's the maximum performance out available right now? It's plus 60 horsepower and plus 70 foot-pounds of torque. That's a whole lot of power and torque coming from the KTuner. Honda has similar figures, and Motec has been able to get a little bit more for their solution. For today, let's go ahead and take a look at this, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. So first I want to show you how to connect to the OBD2 of your car. Every car is a little bit different, but specifically with the Type R, it is under the driver's dashboard. So we're using this cable right here to connect to it, and it's right in here. Come take a look. Right in here. Nice and easy. So we've plugged the cable to the OBD2 sensor. I have not plugged in the unit yet, but I do have the key in my pocket. I'm going to hit the start engine button twice. 1, 2. And it's going to turn all my systems on without actually turning the engine on. Once the car is on, I'm going to plug this in. Just like that. And there we have it. Now I've already locked this to my Type R, but what you're going to see is this pop up, and it'll ask you if you want to lock this to your ECU. You're going to say yes. Once you have it locked to your ECU, you can go on to the next steps. For this next step, we're going to need your KTuner unit and the cable to connect to your laptop. So I've already installed the KTuner software, and I have my KTuner plugged into my computer. In case you were wondering, there are some steps that you have to take as you install the KTuner software. You get the KTuner software, of course, from KTuner.com. You download it, you follow the steps that it's in the download page. You install it. After you install it, you log in using these steps right here. Very, very easy, very simple. You plug in the KTuner. The KTuner then communicates back to the KTuner main HQ office. And then you open up the KTuner application. It'll show down on the bottom left hand side. You'll see if it's disconnected, it'll show disconnected, connecting. Now it's logging, which means we're good to go. So once you have it open, you have the toolbar right up here. In order to load maps, very simple. All you gotta do is hit this plus sign right here. You'll see your base ECU right here. You hit plus, click on that, and hit next, and then you'll see the available tunes. So now that we're in this screen here, I can go ahead and select which tune I want, and each tune has a description next to it, which you'll see down here. Improved launching, throttle responsiveness, smooth bump and power delivery throughout the range, 91 required. And then you got the stage 1 first gear dampening, etc., etc. Let's take a quick look at the dyno maps. Here they are. Now the main thing you're going to be really focusing on is the difference between stock, the stock map down here, versus what the tune actually gives you. So up here is the stage 0 tune, down here is the stage 1 tune. The stage 0 tune gives you basically an extra 20 to 25 horsepower and around 30 to 35 foot-pounds of torque, which is significant. And you're going to definitely feel it across the entire rev range, and I'll do a full video review on the Stage 0. And it's a very good tune. The air-fuel ratio is fixed up because the stock factory tune is actually very leaned out in the name of fuel efficiency and saving the catalytic converter. But they were able to go ahead and increase or smooth out the air-fuel ratio to make it a little bit better, a little bit safer, and eke out a little bit more power. Now, Stage 1 increases boost, increases a few other things, and you can see that giant gulf between the stock tune and the Stage 1 tune. For more in-depth review and in-depth info, I'm going to leave you guys a link on top. I did a full video. I went to Innovative Motorworks, the company that actually helped KTuner with this, with their tunes. I went over there and I filmed and I interviewed the actual dyno tuner named Derek. Really nice guy. And we go through all the specifics and everything you wanted to know about the tunes is in that video. So I'll go ahead and put it right up there. So once you decided to choose whatever tune you want, let's go ahead and do reduced low end torque, because I've already uploaded a Stage 0 and multi-stage 1. I'm going to hit next. And there it is. And to upload it to my unit, I hit this button right here, upload base code, hit yes. And I'm going to do it to number 4. And you're going to give it a few minutes and it'll upload into your V2 unit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in now. This is our next step. I'm going to plug it back in like that. I have the key in my pocket. We're going to hit this twice, no clutch. Once. Second time. Again, all of my systems are on. The engine is not on. Here we go. We're going to flash the ECU now. So we're going to press the screen. This comes up here. And we'll go over these at some other video. Right now, we just want to go ahead and go to the KTuner. We're going to go to flash. And here we go. So we got the factory tune right there. Tune 2, tune 3, tune 4. I know what they are. Tune 2 is the Stage 0. Tune 3 is the stepped Stage 1 tune. So basically, well, we'll go over that in another video. And the Stage 4 is that dampened Stage 1 tune. We're going to try the Stage 0 tune. Are you sure you want to flash? I'm going to say yes. My ECU is going a little bit nuts. Let me go ahead and show you. But that's okay. Something I do want to note, this process of uploading does take quite a while. I'd say about between 5 and 10 minutes of waiting for it to flash. That's because the Bosch ECU itself, the ECU that we use in the Type R, has a very slow bus speed, a BUS speed. So I don't know why they have it so slow, but it's very slow, and it's not a big deal since you're not really flashing all the time, but it's something to keep note of. There we go. So we hit OK. We're going to key the vehicle off. Key the vehicle back on. And we are good. Wow, so first impressions, and I'm blown away at the Stage 0 tune. It pulls a lot harder at lower RPMs. I mean, we're talking about, I'm gonna drop it into 3rd gear, I'm gonna go down to 25 miles an hour, and 30 miles an hour, full throttle. Wow, it pulls you right back into the seat. That's awesome. Throttle response is actually improved. I'm not sure how they improved it, but the throttle response is definitely improved. I definitely like it. I want to do a full review of it once I do get some time under it. I'm going to install the Stage 1 tune as well. So stay tuned for that, guys. So there we have it, guys. I had a ton of fun testing that Stage 0 tune. There's going to be another separate video of me giving driving impressions on the Stage 0 and Stage 1 tunes from KTuner. Stay tuned for that, of course. We're going to be taking a look at the long-term effects of the Type R and the tunes, of course. We're going to take a look at how it performed on the racetrack. We're going to do some data logging. I'm going to show you guys exactly what that entails, how to do it, and what it means, the AFR, the IAT, all that good stuff. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I helped you guys out, and there's a whole bunch of questions on how to use the KTuner. I hope I was able to help you guys out, and like I always say, if you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.